Hi everyone, in the previous video I showed you how to assemble the soldering stand. Now it's time to take a look at how you can create your own controller hardware. Because I chose an LED panel with WS2812B LEDs, I definitely needed a microcontroller to control them. But it will also give me more options later, for example to change the light's temperature or color. A while ago I designed my own level shifter shield for the D1 Mini. This is a tiny PCB with two N-channel MOSFETs, a button for input, a photoresistor and terminals to attach a 5V power supply. There are two output terminals for two LED channels, or in this case I used one to attach a step-up converter to convert from 5V to 12V and added another MOSFET to control the fan. This means at the moment a single click toggles the light and a double click toggles the fan. This is how I added a switchable 12V power supply to the controller. First, I bent the outer pins of the MOSFET by 90 degrees to the side, shortened the middle pin, which is the drain pin, and soldered it to Vin-. Then I soldered the 5V power cable to Vin+. This way the current goes to the step-up converter and then to the MOSFET, which we can control with a data pin from the level shifter output attached to the gate pin. It's always a good idea to add a bit of tape to avoid accidental short circuits. Next, solder the ground cable to the source pin of the MOSFET, and then the data cable to the gate. If you want to build the same controller, head over to my website p3dt.net, and in the PCB section you can find the source files for the PCB, which you can modify with KiCad, which is also open source. And in the things section, under the category cases, you can find the STL file for the 3D printed case. Let me know in the comments what you think about this project, and if you need detailed instructions, the easiest way to get help is to join my Discord server and ask your questions there. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.